Hey guys, Amit here for Phone Radar, and we have the Realme's first wireless earphones which come with noise cancellation, and these are the Pro series model. That's the Realme Buds Wireless Pro with the active noise cancellation feature. So that's a very interesting feature which is primarily the most important product feature. And if you talk about the other things, you can clearly see that it comes with active noise cancellation up to 35 decibels, Sony LDAC high-res audio, 22 hours of playback, and it comes with a 5 minutes of charging which offers you up to 100 minutes of playback, 119 milliseconds of super low latency, magnetic instant connect, and the transparency mode with a 13.6 bass boost drivers with an MRP of 6,000 rupees, though it's launched at a price of 3,000 rupees. The yellow color variant are with us, and other details are clearly mentioned here. So let's quickly open this up and take a look at what we get within this package. So let me just remove the plastic wrapping on this unit and take a look. Again, this is the yellow color variant, so it should probably have this yellow colored cable here. Nothing else should be in yellow. So let's see what we have got, and this is how the unit looks like. First thing first, it has complete details like how you could use it. It has details on the magnetic functions and everything. Anyway, let me just first show you the earphones, and these are the earphones. Now honestly, first impressions, they literally look like the OnePlus earphones which had been launched quite some time back, and these come with Realme branding on this side, as you can see here, and that's about the Realme's branding, quite subtle I would say. On this side we have the complete controller. The first thing first, let's check this port, and wow, this is a Type-C charger, which is a port, which means it supports Type-C, which is a good thing. We have the controllers here with the option to pause, increase or reduce the volume, and probably to connect or turn it on probably. That we should know in a few minutes. And this does feel like quite good quality cable here. And apart from that, these are the magnetic attachments. So as you can see here, these are the magnetic attachments. They are quite little thick, but then good thing is they come with the silicone head, so overall a good experience in the long run. So this is what we get. First thing first, now let's open up the box and take a look at other package content. So here within the box we have a section here on the bottom. Apart from that, I think there is nothing else here. Yeah, that's nothing else, that's confirmed. So in this box, let's take a look what else do we get within this package. And I presume there are a few earplugs and the cable. Well, that's a nice little touch here. I probably am looking at a yellow colored Type-C cable for the first time, and that's also a Realme branded cable. So as you can take a look here, it has this Realme branding, which is quite good, and a small little cable, a reading manual for the Realme Buds Wireless Pro, which is pretty interesting. And I think there are two additional sizes of the earplugs, so in case if the one which come with the unit are not suitable to your ears, then you can probably change the same. So let me just start pairing them up, and let us see how they are, and also share my experience about the same.
A few moments later.
The earphones are connected here to my smartphone, and let me just take a look at the other options which we get here. Let's go to some music and play the same.
346 minutes later.
So guys, after using this for a while, I would say that the bass is very good, the audio tuning and everything is actually perfect. And the good thing is that the moment you remove them from your ear and just connect this, they would pause the music, which is again a good thing. But in ear, the moment you remove it, it doesn't pause the music. So that is something probably they should have fixed or maybe offer in the future, though that needs a sensor. And it works great on the Apple AirPods Pro. Of course, different product and random comparison, but then just a thought that that should have been added. But for 3,000 rupees, they aren't that bad either. They are actually very good. And these are the new earphones from Realme. That's the Realme Buds Wireless Pro, and this was a complete unboxing of the same. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and share, subscribe to Phone Data for more videos like this. I'm Amit, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thank you and goodbye.